welcome back to Condé TV. I'm Tori, and I'm so excited to introduce our new line of linens. Everyone is always talking about how cute the new shabby chic look is, and you can expand your business into that market with these new items. So, they're made out of a very textured, rustic linen blend, and when you get your hands on them, you'll notice just how heavy and durable the material is. You can see that they are natural earth toned, however, colors show up great, and your items are sure to shine no matter what your artwork looks like. Let me walk you through each of these items so that you can get a closer look. So let's start with our tote bag. Not only is it super stylish, but it's also great for carrying books. And like all of the other items in our linen line, it is double-sided, so you can sublimate on both the front and the back, and it just makes for a great little carrying bag. Here's a look at our drawstring backpack, and look at how cute these little rope straps are. This would be a perfect size to carry around town or to the beach or even to a music festival. Next, we have our placemats. They come in two sizes. We have a large and a small, and these are really, really cute for holidays because you can sublimate on both sides. So you could put Thanksgiving on one side and Christmas on the other. It'd make for really cute home decorations. And speaking of the holidays, this linen Christmas stocking would be perfect to hang on the mantle, and it even has a little drawstring opening at the top. Very cute. And I would never forget about this adorable little apron that includes a very handy little pocket. This is a great spin on an old favorite, little linen coasters. And this is also a really good example of how the color really pops on the linen material. Then we have our linen shopping bag. This is much bigger than our tote bag, so it's perfect for taking to the flea market or to the farmer's market, and you're still gonna be super stylish. Finally, we have our pillow sham, which is what we're gonna be making today, so let's get started. So just like all of the items here at Condé, the products in our linen line are super easy to sublimate, and I'm gonna do it right now for you guys. So let's start off with showing you what I brought. I have my blank linen pillow sham, my Nomex felt pad, a couple pieces of protective paper, my image, which I'm gonna cut out using my scissors that I brought here with me, and then I also have my Dye-Trans Pro Spray and a lint roller. So before we get started, we're gonna give our pillow sham a quick pre-press. So let's put down our Nomex felt pad, and then our edges are a little bit thicker, so we want to make sure that they hang off the edge, and then the Nomex felt pad is gonna take the extra pressure off of our seams. So we wanna get it nice and centered, and we're gonna take our sticky lint roller, give it a quick little roll to get off any debris because we don't want that to end up in our pillow. And I'm gonna go ahead and get both sides while I'm here. Awesome. And then we're gonna note the orientation of our sham, making sure that the zipper is hanging off the bottom of our press. And then we're gonna cover it with a piece of protective paper, and then we pre-press. And we do this to get any moisture out of our linens. So we just finished our pre-press, and while the sham was cooling, I went ahead and cut out my image. Now you can see that there was a little black line left over from our framing, from our template, and we didn't want to leave it on there because it would show up on our sham, and so I went ahead and cut it out. Now we're ready to place our image on our pillow sham. Before we do that though, we want to make sure that the sham is oriented correctly, which it is. The zipper is at the bottom of our press, and then I'm just gonna line it up so that it fits. Okay, looks like it's gonna look good. So now we're gonna take our Conde Pro Spray, give our image a quick little spritz, and then we're gonna line the image with the center of our linen sham. Making sure to press firmly to get any wrinkles out. Make sure there's no debris or anything. I think that looks really good. So I'm gonna cover it up with a piece of protective paper and put one more on the bottom there because we didn't have it on the bottom of our press for our pre-press. And since there was no image that we were pressing, it was okay because there wasn't anything that would get on our press to mess that up. So we're good to go. Everything's sandwiched correctly. And now we press. And for all of the latest instructions, make sure you visit Conde.com. All right, that sound means we're done. So we're gonna lift up our press. Woo! Remove that protective paper. And let's see how it turned out. Wow, that's beautiful. I love that rustic look. Oh, it's very hot, so I'm gonna let it cool, but I think it turned out great. We'll check up on it in just a second. So now that my linen sham has had some time to cool off, I'm gonna check it out by unzipping it and making sure everything separates nicely after my press. And once I get those two pieces of materials all nice and lined up, then we're ready to go to our local craft store and pick up an insert so that this pillow sham matches my other one. I think we're gonna have a really nice set. Now, if you call your Conde account agent today and tell them Tori sent you, they'll send you a free linen coaster for you to try with your next purchase of $100 or more. For more tips, products, and services, visit Conde.com. And for more of my videos, be sure to watch Conde TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.